Imagine this, your video, the one suddenly taking off, views piling up, subscribers pouring in, your message reaching thousands, maybe millions. Sounds like a dream? It's closer than you think. And it starts with mastering one crucial element. And that, conglomerate, is the power of YouTube tags. Welcome back to TubeKong. Today we're ditching the guesswork and diving deep into how to use tags to make your videos blow up. So what exactly are tags? Think of tags as keywords or signposts for YouTube's algorithm. They tell YouTube what your video is all about, helping it show your content to the right audience, the people who are actually searching for what you've made. Get this right, and you're not just hoping for views, you're engineering them. Let's break down the viral tag strategy into 3 key pillars. Pillar 1, specific and long-tail tags. These are detailed phrases that closely describe your video. For example, if your video is about making the perfect lasagna, use tags like best lasagna recipe or homemade lasagna tutorial. These tags help you rank higher in niche searches. Pillar 2, broad and related tags. These are more general and cover a wider range of topics. Using our lasagna example, you might include tags like Italian cooking or dinner recipes. These tags increase your chances of appearing in related search results. Pillar 3, competitor and misspelling tags. This one's a bit sneaky. Find successful videos similar to yours and use some of their tags. Also, think about common misspellings of your main keywords. For instance, lasagne instead of lasagna. Use these wisely to capture even more traffic. Alright, now some pro tips and tools for finding the best tags. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ are great for tag research. They can show you the most popular tags related to your content and give you insight into what your competitors are using. How many tags should you use? Aim for 10 to 15 relevant tags. And here's what you shouldn't do. Don't stuff irrelevant tags just to get more views. YouTube's algorithm is smart and can penalize you for this. Keep it relevant and concise. Before we wrap up, remember, tags are just one piece of the puzzle, but they're a powerful one. So take some time, do your research, and optimize those tags. If you enjoyed this and want more tips to level up your YouTube game, hit that subscribe button and join the conglomerate. See you next time.